What's going on, everyone? Hey, I'm gonna give you a quick view of how to change out the headlights in the Cascadia. This is a 2019 that I'm driving, and the headlight is blue, so it's changing. All right. First of all, you see that? See this red right here? If that's pushed all the way up like that, it's not gonna come out. See this part right here? This had to be mashed in, then you slide it out. So this red right here, it have to go down. So in order to get it down, you have to pull it back towards this right here. You have to pull it back, and then you just I'm trying to do this with Okay, now you see now, it slid back now. I slid it back down. Alright. Then at that point, you slide it back down like that. It's ready to come out. You just see this part right here? You just mash down on that and it'll slide right out. Yeah. You just mash down on this part back here and it'll slide right out. And that's it. Slide it out. Put the other one back in, and when you put the new one in, make sure you slide this little red piece right here up to the front to lock it in. That way it'll lock, it won't come out. Alright, now we got the new bulb, and we're just gonna slide, make sure you get ready to put it in, you know, that you can see that the back side of it right there when you get ready to put it in. I think that's probably the only way that it'll fit. Okay, now it's in there. You see that red part where I was telling you about? In order to get it out, now you can slide it up, slide it forward. Now see it's locked back in there. You don't have to worry about it coming out. And now, see it's working. Turn my headlights on to make sure that I got it connected right. It's working, so now we're just gonna put it back in here. I had to turn my headlights back on. Just put it on back in there like so. So if you took it out, you should know how to put it back in. You got to put it back in and twist it. Want to make sure it's